Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some successful trading proofs that I did. You guys can see I have 178k diamonds right now, almost 179k. So yeah, and I don't know if you guys noticed or not, I'm saving for a halo because I really want one. I'm not sure which one I'm saving for. Maybe I'm saving up to like 500k or something like that, but I'm still not sure which halo I like. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys some trading proofs and how I got these diamonds because there's no way I can farm at Sunset and for that, and like I'm too lazy to farm. So yeah, let me show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm in my apartments right now and I show you guys all of the trading, like the trading proofs that I did. So there's also like one more really important topic I wanted to talk about. So yeah, let me tell you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys, Halloween, it's coming, it's like 2.5 months away from today. Depends on when I'm posting. Okay, yeah. It's like 2.5 months away. Like, you guys know the Halloween items are like super high in demand, like the Batmobiles, the Royal Rebel skirt, the Shadow Ampus items, or even like the Nocturnal kitty ears. I don't know why they're going so rapidly high in demand, but yeah, they are. Okay, so I would recommend you guys to, if you have those items, trade them as fast as you can because okay, so like before I did the Royal Rebel and the Shadow Ampus trade, when I would like no one really wanted to offer for my Royal Rebel skirt in the Shadow Ampus fields because like Halloween is like really rare, so everyone just like I can wait a little bit for to come and buy them for like a cheaper price rather than overpay them so much, like overpay for the items so much. So I recommend you guys, if you have those, yeah, trade them as quickly as possible because their demand is going low. Yeah, that's what's happening. And also I would recommend you guys to not overpay for the parasol. I met this random girl in the server and she said that she traded like 110k for the parasol. That's absolutely insane. Like you literally and like 110k and ads, like you can literally get 2 parasols with 110k ads, so please don't overpay that much. You guys, so this is our video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and as you guys like. So this is the first trade that we have. Okay, so what happened was there was this random girl in the server. She was like, who has 100 diamonds, trade me. I traded her because of course I think so I had like 100 and I was like, here I have 100, what's your offer? Then she put up the dear dolly gloves and the pleated skirt and I personally thought that she was trolling, but okay, so I thought she was trolling and I accepted because there was no way she was going to accept it, but she actually accepted. I was like shocked. So yeah, next we have this trade. I traded the spring horns for the fluttering butterfly sleeves, and I believe the fluttering butterfly sleeves are a chest item, so it was free, and the spring horns are a spring item. You have to do the hunt type of thing. I don't know what you call it really. So yeah, those of them are free items, so this is a pretty fair trade. The next trade, I traded 100 diamonds for the butterfly pavilion fascinator. I really have no clue how you pronounce it, but yeah, it's really beautiful. So there was like this girl, she was like, ABC to see my shop, and I was like, ABC because I like to see people's shop, like I want to see what they have, and yeah, you know what I mean. So I was like, how much for this? She was like 100. I was like 100k. I was like shocked. I was like, what, 100k? Are you kidding me? But then she was like 100. I was like, oh, okay. Then we have this trade. I traded the Angel Halo for the the Princess Starfrost skates, Fuzzy Bunny ears, the Rainbow Diamond earrings, the Rainbow Visor, and 28,000 diamonds. So I feel like this is like a really good trade. Like, I really like the skates. They're really nice. I really like them. So yeah, I'm really happy with the trade. And 28 diamonds, I think, is like a really good trade for the Angel Halo and the Princess Starfrost skates and stuff like that. Next trade, okay. Okay, yeah, that's the same one. Okay, then this is like the biggest trade I have ever done. I mean, not really, but yeah. I traded the Royal Rebel skirt and the Shadow Empress chain boots for 99,000 diamonds. And okay, so what I'll tell you guys how this happened. I was in a random server. I was just looking for trades, but no one was trading me because I pretty much had already traded every single person in the server. So yeah, this girl said that she was like, trading 100,000 diamonds. I was like, okay, fine. I traded her and showed like some of my items. I was like, what can I was like, you can choose the items that you want to offer for, like you like. She's like, how many items can you choose? I was like, you can choose as many as you like. Just tell me how much you want for them. Okay, so she chose the Royal Rebel skirt and the Shadow Empress heels and boots. Sorry. But then she was like, how much for this? She was like, can I give you some? She was like 85 to 90k, but I was like, no. So a lot of convincing later. we stopped at 99 because I know she just wanted to have 1000 diamonds in inventory because of, she had 100k. So yeah, and I feel like I did an amazing trade. So yeah. And then for the next trade, it's like a random trade. I just trade my doubles in my items that I don't want for the Sparkle Sarong. Okay, we have the Darling Valentina, Playful Puppies, the Enchanting Heirloom Sleeves, Lucky Bow Pin, the Mary Sparkle Dress, and the Trip to the Market Hat for the Sparkle Sarong. So this is pretty fine trade if you ask me, pretty fair. All of these items I never really use and I have doubles of them, so why not trade it for something useful that I like. Then about this trade, in case you guys didn't know, I have a lot of Trip to the Market hats, so I have like 3 of those, but now I only have 1 left, so I traded 1 there and 1 here. I traded it for the Moncherity Party clutch, so this is an amazing trade. I love this clutch so much, it's so pretty and a really cute accessory. Then we have this trade, the fluffy bunny tail with bow for the mix match striped sock. This socks are like a really good accessory if you ask me. I mean, yeah, if you don't have heels or like, you want to trade, you want heels but like you don't have enough money, I would recommend you trade for socks. I mean, they don't make you taller or anything like that, but at least you aren't barefoot, you know what I mean. Then I trade the Dear Dolly lace pack bow for the DOT aromatic aroma head flowers for the Dragging Train Rose dress, the Winter Guardian orange. So the girl was trying to complete the set. I think she only did the Dear Dolly bow. So yeah, she traded me these items for that. It's a pretty good trade if you ask me. Then we have this trade. I trade the Action Booties and the Cherry Blossom kimono sleeves for the Dear Dolly ribbon heels because I don't know if you guys knew or not. I had 2 of the Cherry Blossom kimono sleeves, but now I literally have 0. I'll tell you guys what I trade for them. And I had the Action Booties and they're like chicken heels, so I never really wear them. So I trade both of the items for the Dear Dolly ribbon heels, the Lucky Headband, and the Sweet Bunny ears. So yeah, that's amazing. Now I trade the Lucky Headband and the pleated skirt for the Miss Lady Rose bow. So that's a pretty fair trade. The Miss Lady Rose bow like 3,000 something or between 5,000. I'm still not sure about the OG prices, so I had like doubles of the pleated skirt, so I gave them 1 pleated skirt and the Lucky Headband. So then I tried the DOT aroma head flowers for the 7,800 diamonds. So it's a pretty fair trade. The OG price was 6,500 diamonds, but I feel like I got a good trade. So yeah, and I never really bought those anyways because the fact that they're on the side of your head kind of bothers me, like, you know what I mean. Then I got this. I tried the Cherry Blossom kimono sleeves for the Moncherity Party sleeves. And I did this trade because I feel like the Cherry Blossom kimonos are too big and the Moncherity Party ones are like nice size, so I like them. And the girl was so happy because she was trying to get the CB set, so the Cherry Blossom kimono sleeves were like one of her dream items. She was like, oh my god, she was freaking out. So yeah, that's amazing that she was really happy. And also this is like a pretty fair trade because both of their OG prices are the same, like 20,000. So yeah. Then I was doing this trade and I wanted to offer for the girl's sailor hat with bow, and I also wanted to offer for the halo, but yeah, she said that her halo is not for trade, and I was just like, can I see it in trade? I've never seen a halo in trade before because I never really cared about halos before I got diamonds. Like, I was just like, okay, fine, I'll get it one day, but I never really cared about halos. But when I got diamonds, I was like, oh my god, I want a halo. So she showed me a trade. It was the Spring Halo 21. And yeah, lastly I did this trade, the Fuzzy Warm hat with the sailor hat with bow. And yeah, this is a pretty good trade. The Fuzzy Warm hat was it a calendar item from the winter 2020? I'm still not sure what item it was, but I feel like you had to do a quest to claim it. So, and I traded for the sailor hat bow, so I